Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to turn on a secret 120 Hz refresh rate on your iPhone. So from the iPhone 13, the Pro versions all have the 120 Hz screen. So the 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, the 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, and the iPhone 17 series, all of them, the pros and non-pros, have the 120 Hz display. But if you go to Safari, you cannot actually use it, and that's really annoying. So if I go to Safari right now on the iPhone 15 Pro Max right here, you can see 60 will be the max that we get. And that's because Apple is actually limiting this, but I do have a secret setting to show you guys that will actually unlock the 120 Hz display on Safari on your iPhone. So here's how you do it. Head on to the Settings app and go under Apps right here, search for Safari, and once you go to Safari, all you have to do is just scroll all the way down here and you go to Advanced. Once you go to Advanced here, go ahead and go to Feature Flags, go here, and then scroll down here. So just scroll down here, it's in alphabetic order, so it will be very easy to find. Go to the P letters and find Prefer Page Rendering Updates near 60 frames per second. All you have to do is just turn this off, and this will enable 120 Hz refresh rate on Safari on your device. So if we go back to Safari, you can see right now it jumps from 60 to 120 Hz, which is really amazing. So if you want to use 120 Hz on Safari on your iOS device, of course from the iPhone 13 Pro and up, you will be able to actually just go ahead and enable it as easy as that using that secret setting. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.